What if making money was something you could do with little effort from your phone? Here is how to make money on your phone. Welcome, Money Finders, enriching the lives of people we touch. Top 10 ways to make money on your phone 2021. It's never been easier to make money from your phone than it is today. Dozens of free apps, services, and platforms are just a click away, ready to help you earn a little extra cash online. With some time and effort, your smartphone can unlock a number of easy ways to put more money towards your financial goals. Digital rewards platforms, the gig economy, side hustles, entrepreneurial endeavors, and so much more are easily accessible right from your hands. Whether it's on free time during a morning commute, when you are relaxing around home, or out walking around the city, your phone is such a powerful financial tool. Personal finances are personal, so are lifestyles and living situations. No two scenarios are the same. What seems logical and feasible to one might not for you. If you are a six-figure earner, you might dedicate your time elsewhere. However, if you are looking to build an emergency fund, start investing, or make money fast for whatever means, your phone can help you do that. Earning a couple hundred extra dollars a month or much more is entirely feasible, and you just need to find what money-making opportunities best fit you. To help inspire some ideas and get you started, here are 10 amazing and free ways to make money from your phone. However, be sure to subscribe if you want to know all about financial freedom. Like to support our channel. Number 10. Work as a language tutor. If you have a smartphone and you are fluent in English, you could make money working as an ESL tutor on NiceTalk. After you download the app, you can submit your registration form to the company. Once you're approved, you can log on to your app whenever you want and take requests from students. You'll need to be able to video chat with students. You get paid for each full minute you spend talking to your students. NiceTalk pays $10 per hour. The company only pays via PayPal. While the pay isn't great, if you have a few extra hours to help a student learn English, it could be a fun way to earn some pizza cash. Number 9. Surfing the web and watching videos online. A good number of websites and apps pay good money for being on their site, either by watching adverts, short video clips, and so on. Some of these apps are Swagbucks. This is one of the most popular apps where you can make money by shopping, watching videos, and answering paid surveys. In the end, you can redeem your money through PayPal or use of gift cards. B. Fronto. This is another app that allows you to read news articles, product deals, and reviews, as well as watch adverts to earn points. You can also earn bonus points for downloading free apps. Number 8. Shop like you already shop. Everyone shops. We all need groceries, shampoo, clothes, and other stuff, right? Believe it or not, there are smartphone apps that pay you to shop for items already on your shopping list. Not a bunch of stuff you'd never buy anyway. It's simple, as there are only a few extra steps involved to start earning. Here are some of the popular get paid to shop apps. Ibotta. Get paid to grocery shop. Before you go shopping, you complete a few simple tasks on the app, each related to favorite brands or products you usually buy. After you go to the store, you take a picture of your receipt and you are credited with a cashback amount. You can cash out via PayPal every time you earn at least $5. Ibotta lists new deals all the time, and a lot of items are probably already on your list. Milk, bananas, bread. B. Shopkick. Shopkick pays you for spending time in certain stores you probably already shop at. Seriously. Scan barcodes and get points you can redeem for gift cards to your favorite stores. You can't trade your points for cash, but you'll definitely be saving cash by earning gift cards you can use to do the shopping you'd already be doing. C. Receipt Hog. Similar to Ibotta, Receipt Hog pays you to shop. You take a picture of your receipt from any store, play a few point-winning games and paid surveys, and then redeem your points for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's so easy, and most of the items are things you'd already be buying anyway. Number 7. Get paid for your opinions. Created by the polls firm, Ipsos, the I Say survey app pays you for your opinions. Ipsos is always at the center of all political opinion polls, so you might recognize the name. The I Say consumer app lets you earn some extra money by completing surveys during your spare time. You can also earn points that are redeemable for cash through PayPal or for gift cards from iTunes and Amazon. Start sharing your opinion to earn rewards. Number 6. Sell your photos on FOP. Your obsession with the amazing phone cameras could pay you off. FOP allows creators to sell stock photos from their phones. The app is completely free and you can upload photos right from your phone. You can sell and resell the same photo as many times as you want. Photos sell for $10 and they keep 50% of each sale. In addition to creating a portfolio of work, you can also submit photos to missions. The missions are created by big name companies looking for a stock image. The pay on these are typically much higher and companies may even purchase the work of photos that don't win. If you enjoy taking photos and don't mind spending a bit of time adding keywords and descriptions to garner attention, this could be a good option. Think of it as Instagram that pays you for photos. Make sure to look through popular photos to see what type of images are selling, and keep in mind, most buyers are companies or small business owners trying to find an image for their website or blog. Number 5. Sell items you don't need anymore. We all have things we are not in need of anymore, and you can sell them on various sites online for cash. All you need to do is to take pictures of what you need to sell and place them online with price tag and your phone number. Here are some notable sites you can sell your things. A. Gigi. On this app, it helps sellers to meet potential buyers. You will snap your product or whatever you need to sell and place them in various categories already sorted on the app, and you put in your price and phone number in order for buyers to contact you. B. Poshmark. Just like the Gigi app, you take pictures of the clothing you want to sell and immediately post them for sale. Poshmark is also a marketplace where you can buy and sell other things. C. eBay. On eBay, you sign up for an account, post items for sale, and wait for customers to bid. It is very simple, fast, and also easy to use. Number 4. Play games. If playing games on your phone is your thing, and I totally get that it's not for everyone, then why not double your fun by making money while you play? Check out these great games apps that pays you to play. Cricket. In this app, all you do is spin a wheel to win money. You pick a color, blue or yellow, and spin. You can win any amount from 5 cents to $10 in a spin. After you run out of free spins, watch some short ads to get more spins. You can cash out with PayPal Cash after you've reached $25. A bonus, Cricket has Cricket Live events where you can earn real-time cash prizes up to $100. You can also get spin codes every day by following cricket creators on social media. Number 3. Survey Junkie. Popular high-frequency surveys. Survey Junkie is another one of the most popular and highest-rated free survey websites. They do a great job of matching surveys to your interest and demographics based off the questions answered when you first set up your free account. At times, they have surveys at over $30 plus per response if you meet the specific criteria. The Survey Junkie website is easy to navigate from your mobile device, and you can access surveys at any time throughout the day. Number 2. Freelance. This is one of the surest ways to make money with the use of your smartphone. All you need is a good smartphone and good internet connection. If you have a laptop, it is an added advantage for you. You can get writing jobs online, data entry jobs too. Sites that pay for such works are Fiverr, Guru.com, People Per Hour, and so on. These sites pay very good rewards for your work. Number 1. Work as a customer service agent. You may be able to make money working as a customer service representative on your phone. Major companies like UHAL, Upwork, Getty Images, Dollar Flight Club, Delta Airlines, and JetBlue hire people to answer customer service calls from the comfort of their home. Working as a customer service agent from your phone will provide a more steady stream of income, but the jobs can be a bit more difficult to come by. You may also be required to go on site for some training before you can work from home. There are tons of ways in which you can make money with your smartphone, and most of them are really simple and easy. Whether it is playing games, filling out surveys, freelance, or watching adverts, you will still earn extra income to support your basic salary. It really pays to use your smartphone for something more productive and beneficial than reading other people's posts and comments online. Making money with your smartphone doesn't promise to get you rich, but at least help you solve your basic needs and put extra cash into your pocket. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new around here, then subscribe and turn on your notifications. We are trying our best to make videos for you and hopefully help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye.